How to get free credit card for Discord Nitro. If you have been trying to get Discord Nitro and you wanted a free credit card, just follow these simple steps to get your Discord Nitro. So if you are planning to get Nitro, you can get it from this website called Skrill. So just go ahead and search for Skrill right here and hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here. What it does is it will allow you to register for a new credit card and it will give you a free Discord Nitro as a bonus. So what you want to do here is go ahead and accept only essential cookies and register for a new credit card. And once you click on register, you will be taken to the sign up page where you're going to have to enter your country and currency. Then simply enter your login details like your email, and then you're going to have to create a password as well. And once you have done that, click on the next button. And if you want the marketing preferences, you could turn on the email as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and check my email for verification. Once you open up your Gmail application, you should be getting the confirmation email. So as you can see here, I've gotten this code right here, which I'm going to copy and paste. Now tap on next. And then here you're just going to have to provide your details like your first name, your last name, and then your date of birth. So simply enter all of these details. And now you could just go ahead and select your nationality if you have a second nationality as well. Now select your occupation and then tap on next. After this, you're going to have to provide your address. And once your verification is complete after giving you the phone number, you should be able to get Discord Nitro for free after getting the credit card. You can use the credit card that you get from here to get Discord Nitro. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.